Good morning, it's Thursday the 21st of April and this is your daily outlook. Higher risk sentiment weighs on the US dollar. The US dollar plummeted against its major counterparts, weighed by an improved risk appetite in the market. The dollar index slid to a 3-year low today and is heading towards an all-time low as investors are willing to sell the dollar for higher yielding currencies. Solid US corporate earnings reports boosted investors' confidence that the global economy is recovering. World equities soared and commodities jumped to record high levels. US data revealed that the existing home sales rose more than expected in March. Focus now turns to today's initial jobless claims and manufacturing data. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar slid as low as 81.86 from 83.09. The euro rallied against the greenback on higher demand for riskier assets. A successful Spanish bond auction eased investors' fears that Spain is also falling into the Eurozone debt crisis. The euro broke above the 146 level versus the dollar, rising to a 16-month high at 146.17 from 143.53. The Australian dollar rallied to an all-time high, supported by higher than expected producer price index data. The stronger PPI figure, which is a significant indicator of inflation, raised expectations for an interest rate hike. The Aussie is also supported by the surging commodity prices and investors' higher demand for risk. The Aussie rallied versus the dollar, rising as high as 107.72 from 105.39. Sterling rose against the dollar, recovering from initial disappointment following the Bank of England MPC minutes. Expectations for an early interest rate hike faded as the minutes sounded dovish. Votes remained unchanged, with 3 members voting for higher rates and 1 member voting for further quantitative easing. Against the greenback, sterling ticked as high as 164.74 from yesterday's 163.08. Oil prices ticked higher at $112.39 a barrel from $107.82. Gold rose to a fresh record high at $1,508.82 an ounce from $1,493.29. Silver also rallied to $46.04 an ounce from $43.82. Currencies to watch out for: the euro dollar and dollar yen. The euro dollar pivot point is at 145.00 with a preference to enter long positions at 145.10. The dollar yen pivot point is at 82.60 with a preference to enter short positions at 82.55. Today's calendar and market movers. UK retail sales in March is forecast to fall 0.5%. UK public sector net borrowing in March is forecast to rise to 18.55 billion. US initial jobless claims is forecast to fall to 392,000. And US manufacturing survey in April is forecast to fall to 37. On to equity markets now. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 trading up 1.35% and the Dow trading up 1.52%. The European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE trading up 2.13%, the DAX up 2.98% and the CAC up 2.46%. The time of writing, the Nikkei was trading up 1.06% and the Hang Seng was trading up 0.85%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Veronica Judge from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.